ਅਵਾਰਡੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਰਾਈਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਰ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸਰ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਦੀ ਵਿਨਰ ਅਕਸ਼ਿਤਾ ਵੋਹਰਾ। Akshita, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Akshita, you have won this award. How are you feeling?
I think it's an incredible feeling. It feels like a milestone has been achieved. And I've been waiting for this since very, very long. And it's been 8 years since I've been in this industry. And finally I've got it. So it feels surreal, sort of.
Actually, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਅੱਛੇ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕਗਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਗੈਟ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ ਐਂਡ ਰਿਵਾਰਡਸ ਯੂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਫੀਲ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਵੈਲੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੋ ਵੈਲੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਅਕਸ਼ਤਾ, ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਨੋ ਇਹ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ?
ये actually मतलब I had no plans of joining social media. I actually am a non-medical student. And मैं engineering pursue करने वाली थी, coaching ले रही थी and suddenly like not suddenly but I think every girl loves fashion. उस way में I thought कि you know fashion designing की तरफ I started inclining but उस time I just knew कि fashion designing is something like fashion सोचती I think every girl thinks of fashion designing. Although there are a lot of options out there but वो बाद में पता चलता है. So I joined fashion designing college and then I got introduced to the world of blogging, content creation, and from the first year of my college I started my content creation journey.
Wow, and content creation जिन्ना ये सुनने च easy लगता है, it's not a cakewalk, you know, and not everybody gets to achieve those numbers that you have. So what are the tips and tricks? Share with everybody, yaar.
I think be consistent. That's the number one I think tip I would give any newbie or anyone who's wanting to start out. And I think you should not be in this field if you want just freebies. If you just want barter products, I don't think this is the right field for you. If you genuinely feel, you know, you like fashion yourself, you like styling yourself, and you like educating the audience. So my niche is elevated casual style. So what I would give advice to everyone out there is, first of all, decide your niche. Like be consistent is मतलब after you join and after you open up a page वो बाद में आता है. First of all decide your niche and first of all decide कि आप genuinely क्यों आना चाहते हो इस field में. And that's the problem. I think all the new creators who are just joining in, I think they're joining in for freebies, which is not the right reason. But anyway, so yeah, that would be my tip कि अगर आप genuinely interested हो, you know, मतलब to show all the audience out there what you've got. So I think this is the right platform for anybody and everybody.
Basically जो तुसी दस्से है उन्हें जब आप summarize करिए, it will be that first of all you have to yourself love what you're doing. And then second is कि जो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ why बहुत strong होना चाहिए है. And ये दोवें चीज़ां किसी भी profession ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ equally valid ने. Your why should be very strong because otherwise तुसी you lose interest in the process. And obviously you have to love it first yourself ताही तुसी उन्हें continue कर सकते हो. So very well said, Akshita. But I want to know, as you know, this space is getting crowded day by day. If I say, like, if I open my Instagram, every second reel is a fashion reel, you know. So वो जड़ा अपनी एक बनानी एक पहचान बनानी social media ते, how is that? Like, how important is that? Plus, how do you do that?
I think every now and then it's a struggle, and it's very true कि it's reached a saturation point. And you just took words out of my mouth कि I was about to mention also कि it's a very very saturated field at this point of time. And I think मतलब every now and then it's a मतलब mentally you have to struggle a lot because every now and then you get a creative block because आप कुछ नया करने जाते हो, कुछ टाइम बाद ऑडियंस बोर हो जाती है. That's you know
that's how trends work.
I think that span, what do you say, attention span बहुत ही कम रह गया है. उसके लिए we have to work मतलब every 2 or 3 months you have to change the strategy.
Yeah, but जिवें तुसी creators ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ you just don't have to know your job, but ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ there are a lot of small skills associated that you have to learn being a creator. ਭਾਵੇਂ ਉਹ editing ਹੋਏ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਉਹ you know I see these reels all the time. It's about new font styles every day. It's coming, how to use this editing tool, that I don't know, there's 100 apps right now. So ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ soft skills ਨੇ associated with your job, how do you keep up with them?
I think with time you just learn and you have to learn. First of all मुझे मेकअप करना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था and during my school farewell it was a disaster. Like I got it done from somebody and I didn't know. तो उन्होंने जो भी लगाया I was happy with it. And later on I got to know कि उन्होंने मेरा skin tone ही change कर दिया. So I learned makeup, basic editing skills and कितने सारे like ring light लेनी होती है, tripod. But initially I didn't have it. So there are a lot of creators who think कि आपके पास tools नहीं है या you know you cannot spend. So they don't start out and they're like only those who can spend money on it
they can
start. But no, that's not true. I mean, you just have to have that zeal to pick up and मतलब with time सीखना पड़ता है. Editing में मैं pro नहीं हूँ. अभी भी I would say कि I would like to hire an editor for those kind of reels that you're talking about. जो आजकल editing बहुत ही ज़्यादा over हो चुकी है. But I think audience is liking it. So either you have to learn it or you have to hire someone.
सो या बहुत सारियां होर भी छोटी छोटी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स ने जो इवेंचुअली मिलके एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर ਨੂੰ ਇਨਾ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ. ਅਕਸ਼ਤਾ ਨਾਓ ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਆਸਕ ਹੂ ਆਰ ਥੀਸ ਪੀਪਲ ਹੂ ਆਰ ਥੀਸ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸਰਸ ਯੂ ਲੁੱਕ ਅਪ ਟੂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਯੂ ਵਾਚ देयर कंटेंट इंडियन
Yeah, because international मेरे को नाम याद नहीं रहते हैं, but Indian में I think Nikki Mehra is my favorite. I've been following her since very very long. Like उन्होंने अपनी job छोड़ी है, her background I think economics if I'm not wrong, and now she's like world renowned, sort of global influencer बन चुके हैं, and even Ashna Shroff is very famous.
Okay, what do you want to say about social media in general? Lives are changing, people are earning a lot of good money. बहुत लोगों ਨੂੰ exposure ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ short time fame ਵੀ ਕਮਾਇਆ ਹੈ, which happens on social media all the time. ਬਹੁਤ ਲੋਕੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ troll ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਲੋਕੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ you know they feel very bad about themselves, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ body image issues ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, n number of things. What is your take on social media?
I think it's a boon and a bane at the same time. It's a blessing and a curse for those कि मतलब anytime anything can happen. टच वुड अभी तक ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है कि मुझे वो अच्छा ना लगे, एंड प्लस इट्स माई सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, इट्स माई ब्रेड एंड बटर, सो आई लव इट टू डेथ. बट यू नेवर नो, लाइक इट्स अ कर्स इन अ वे कि आपको सब कुछ सोशल मीडिया पे दिखाना है, which is not good. Like even my like I'm about to get married, so I want to cover it. I want to cover each and everything, and I am doing certain things thoda extravagant just to
because you have
put it on social media. So मतलब although I love doing it, but still वो थोड़े private moments के बाद मतलब and कुछ emotional moments you just want to capture and you just forget about that feeling that you're getting at that moment. So मतलब but still it's a part of this world now, and I think social media is not going anywhere, and neither can I. So I have to stay here and I have to keep doing what I do.
बिल्कुल. एंड अक्षता जी किसी ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ you have won this award, if you have to credit somebody for this, you can credit yourself also. Anybody ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ ਇਹਦਾ credit or maybe thanks?
I think this is something that everyone practices as a girl.
हर कुड़ी शीशे के सामने खड़े होके she has practiced this speech that I would like to thank this, because when we were growing up Bollywood had like major influence. ਅਸੀਂ awards ਦੇਖਦੇ ਸੀ, award ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀ speech ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ, we have all like it's crazy how we all in this generation have grown up with that. So now I want that speech. फटाफट.
नहीं, मैं speech नहीं दूंगी, but like typical answer है, but it's very true. My parents and my partner, who was my boyfriend back then and now my fiance, so he's been supportive throughout, like from the beginning. And my parents, उन्हें ये पता भी नहीं था feel क्या है. They just told me कि you can do whatever you like, but हमें नहीं पता है, तो you're on your own. Like we won't be able to help you because हमें fashion के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है. And even when I took the decision that I want to do it full time, they were very very supportive. So I think parents and my partner.
Also, Jay, if because fashion influencers are always decked up and are always looking good and wearing this and that on social media, but if I catch you like in a grocery store, what are you most likely wearing then?
First of all, I don't go to grocery. Not yet. So you'll never catch me in a grocery store. But apart from that, in a mall, I'll be decked up even then. But
so
not
you go out.
But not like that. मतलब it depends. The makeup will be light. The outfit will be simpler. But it won't be कि मतलब ऐसे ही देख लिया. मतलब ऐसे ही मैं नहीं घूमती. मैं I just don't go in my मतलब in my pajamas outside.
So all fashion influencers like जिਵੇਂ ਉਹ ਲੱग ਰਿਹਾ social media ਤੇ they go out also like that way. I really wanted to know this. कि
नहीं, that's
do
just
they
me. I
really
think-
do that?
That's just me, I think.
No, I'm sure a lot of them must be also मतलब करके जानते होंगे.
Yeah.
This was my question, real question, but it was a genuine question कि like ये करते होंगे, and thankfully I got my answer today. Thank you Akshita, thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much, and it was lovely chatting with you.
Same here.
Congratulations once
Thank you,
again.
thank you so